We'll guide you through how to delete files from Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Google Drive website and log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders displayed in front of you. To delete a file, simply locate the file you want to remove. You can do this by browsing through the list or using the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Click on Remove to send the file to the trash. If you want to delete multiple files at once, just hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each file you wish to delete. Then right-click on any of the selected files and choose Remove. Now, this action only moves your files to the trash, so they're not completely gone yet. To permanently delete them, you'll need to go to the Trash folder, which you can find on the left sidebar. Click on Trash to open it. In the trash, you'll see all the files you've previously removed. To delete them permanently, click on Empty Trash at the top right. A confirmation pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to delete these files permanently. Click Delete Forever to confirm. Keep in mind, once you do this, you can't recover the files, so make sure you're really ready to let them go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.